Hello, beautiful people. You are welcome back. So today's recipe is this juicy turkey recipe you are seeing here. So if you want to know how I achieved this, please stay tuned. So first of all, we are going to start by mixing all our ingredients for the turkey. So in there I have 1 tablespoon of thyme and 1 teaspoon of pepper flakes, because who would really want it to be a little bit spicy. And after that, we will be adding 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and 1 tablespoon of paprika for coloring and also the flavor it gives. One tablespoon of dried parsley. If you have the fresh one, you can as well make use of that. And 1 seasoning cubes. So I'm just going to pieces it in there, and then I'll be giving this a very good mix, and we'll move on to the next stage. So here is my turkey. I have in there about 6 turkey wings, and that should be about a half a kilo, yeah, thereabout. So what I'm doing here is I'm just trying to coat all of them with some lemon juice, the front and the back. So I'll just coat it there, and then I will also be coating it with some oil. What the oil will be doing is to give it a shine. Why the lemon juice? Guys, have you ever tried seasoning your chicken or your turkey or your meat with some lemon juice? It is wow. If you haven't done that, do give it a try, and you will come back to thank me later. So I'm just going to go ahead and just coat it all with all of them with this lemon juice, and then I will be coming in to coat it again with my oils for the shine, and then we'll be seasoning it, rubbing it in, and making sure that every part of the chicken is coated very well with those seasonings. So after adding the lemon juice and the oil, I'm just going to massage it in, making sure that every part of this turkey is well taken in by the lemon and the oil. And then I will be coming in with the seasonings. So like I said, I'm just going to go through front and back, and I'm going to try and massage it in very well, because I really want every part to have a take and a share of this seasoning. And guys, massage it as much as you can. It will really help it to penetrate and to become more dense, and then to be able to absorb the seasonings very well. So that's what you see me doing here, and I'm just going to go on and do that to all parts of this turkey. So now I am almost done. I'm done with the massaging and the seasoning. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to cover it with this my wrap, and I'm going to let it sit in my fridge for at least an hour. But if you don't have patience like I did, you can allow it sit for 30 minutes. It is okay. But it's also advised very well to let it marinate very well. So this is after an hour because I have enough time with me. So now I'm going to set this into my oven for at least 45 minutes to an hour at 120 degrees or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So this is it, and after 30 minutes I decided to give it a turn. So but bear in mind also that every funnel has every oven has its own function. So you know your oven and you know how it works. It all depends, it all differs. So this is it. After 30 minutes I gave it a turn, and after an hour, because I really allowed it to dry and to give me those yummy look, you can see that this is after an hour in the oven, and here we have it. Just take a look at that, guys. Can you see that? What can't you have with this turkey? This is absolutely yummy. This was absolutely amazing. It was so delicious. I and my family, we had this for dinner with some salads, and the kids also had it with some rice. It was wonderful. So feel free to give this a try, and please do let me know if you use my recipe, so that I will be so grateful, because I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this is the first time of you coming across my channel, you are welcome. Please do wait to subscribe, turn on my notification bell, so that whenever I upload new videos, you will get to know about it. To you all that always come back, God bless you. Thank you. I truly appreciate you. See you in my next. Bye.